press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Alright, so guys, if you're gonna buy a second-hand mobile phones, I repeat it, if you're gonna buy a second-hand mobile phone, or right now if you are planning to buy a second-hand mobile phone, then my friends, this video is definitely for you. So guys, the topic is not about that which mobile phone you're gonna buy, or is it new or is it old. Actually, the topic is about the problems is occurring in almost all of the second-hand mobile phone, or when we buy the second-hand mobile phone, then the not definitely, but it creates a lots of problem in the couple of days, or in the couple of weeks, or within the years. So now my questions, not mine but everyone's question, is that why in 70 to 80% cases when we buy a second-hand mobile phone, then it definitely creates a lots of problem in the future. So guys, answer is very simple, as the question is very simple, that we don't judge carefully at the time of buying, or either we don't have a right knowledge, or either we don't have a right to judge the mobile phone, to pick out the defects of the mobile phone. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about the app. I am going to introduce you about the app. I am going to give you the right tool to judge the smartphones before buying. So guys, it's really help you to grab the best one. So guys, my name is Arya Kumar. The show is Discover Anything. Let's roll out the goddamn show intro. So guys, the name of app is Test Am. So let me show you how this app is really working. So guys, here you first seen and you got the screen test option, sound test option, motion test option, connectivity, hardware, camera, and many other lots of options. Here you can just create reports, complete test, touch screen, sound, vibration, and also you can test earpiece option. Here is also accelerometer test options, and after that you can see here light sensor option, charger, hardware, vibration, proximity, front camera, back camera, flash, and you can just create your own test time report, and you can just fix it, and you can just repair. You can find the repair shops in your locality by the help of Google Maps, which I show you next in this video. Guys, let me demonstrate you this test, in which actually this is a screen test by in which you have to just scratch your screen, and this app test your screen by this process, and you have to given a certain period of time, and inside this time limit you have to complete this app. And here you can see that there is earpiece option available, microphone option, and let me tell you guys that the graphic of this app is pretty cool, and you can also by using this app enjoy a lots. And after that you can see here is hardware buttons, after that vibration, proximity sensor, back camera, flash, earpiece options also available, microphone, and headphones. Actually the app is repeating all the options because I skip all this. I only want to demonstrate you, that's why I am skipping all the options, and you do it yourself, and it is really very easy. So guys, here is screen test, connectivity test, and let me create the reports, and you see in reports all informations are included, and also and in the test reports you can see that if you are not completing a test, then it give option to complete all the tests. Like here you can also do internet speed test, battery info, you can find repair shops by the help of Google Maps, and here is also, and let me tell you that the app gives full specification of the mobiles in which you install the app. Like here you see that 5 inches speed, it shows my phone Xiaomi P7, and storage, SD card, and etc guys. And moving down, here is also test history options, internet speed test, battery info, my phone info, many other options you can get here. And something like this, so the test time report, and report number is also seen here, and date is also mentioned here, and here is also a plus button by which you can get more options. Like this is 5 inches and pixel count, and after that is storage, SD card option, and many individual options like screen options in which touch screen is given, and after that you see here motion options in which accelerometer, compass option to test, and connectivity section you get GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and in hardware section you get light option, charger option, and hardware buttons. You can say you can test your power buttons and volume up and down buttons, and after that here is vibration option, proximity, camera in which you test front and back and flash camera. So guys, this is all about this app, and this is really very simple and easy to use. And guys, I am using this app 1 or 2 times, and this worked really good, and none of the ads are come during when I'm using this app. And in down you see here many other options directly available. So guys, I hope you like this app, so download it from the description box and use it. So finally guys, I tell you about the tool, I tell you about the right tool, I tell you about the app. So guys, visit my description box and grab the link and click it, install the app, and go and just clear all the defects of any smartphones. And don't forget to use this technique to check all the defects before buying any smartphone. So right now, as always, in case if you like my video, in case if you really did enjoy my video, don't forget to let me know in the comment section given below the description box. And also guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And very important thing is that don't forget to press the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates and notification about my channel. I say you to do all this because it's really helped me, it's really encouraged me or keep motivating me to provide you guys best and useful contents. I'll meet you in next video. Cheers.